Hey everybody, Jeff here. Now what I got here is this plastic snow shovel. I've had this probably about 10 or 11 years, as long as I've owned this house. And it started getting weak and flimsy, and what has happened is it's developed a crack right around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to fix that using some JB Weld. So, okay, what I've done here is I propped one end up on this, it's an Optimus speaker, and I'm not using it at the moment, and then to weigh it down so that this lays flat, DVD VCR player. So we'll mix up the JB Weld. Okay, we'll squish out a good bead of the weld. Should be enough. Then the hardener right alongside. Put the same amount of the same length. Okay. And using my high-tech stainless steel applicator and mixer tool, we'll mix it together. Okay, it looks like it's mixed up pretty good. So we'll just apply it onto this crack. Just butter it on there nice and good. To wonder the thing hasn't completely broke, because it's been like this for a couple years. I'm not worried about the way it looks or anything, I just want it to work. And if it doesn't work, then I'll just go buy a new shovel. But it's worth trying to fix it first. I don't think I'd have to take it completely off the handle in order to get to the back, but I think this will work good enough. Get what I can left on there. Okay, I'm going to let it sit there for about a day and then see how it worked. Okay, it's a day later now and it's all dry and it seems to be pretty solid. I don't know if I can hold the camera and it feels pretty solid. Of course, the whole thing's a little flimsy, but that's solid there. So we'll see how it works. And as you can see, it's snowing like heck out here. Oh yeah. Now I can get some force on it and it'll dig in. Okay, I'm going back inside. Y'all have a good day, and talk to you later. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.